Alright, so with our second job, you know, pretty much I inspect this morning, make sure machine's clean, working. Pretty much inspect bathrooms, make sure bathrooms clean, fill with all the toiletries, papers, soap. Floors are clean, make sure the floors clean. Walk the halls, make sure there's no hair on the floor, no garbage, no, you know. Inspect the tables, chairs, make sure there's no dirt, dust, no dust on the paintings. Make sure our front here nice and clean. Glass are clean, no fingerprints, clean handles. Make sure the parking lot here is clean as well, sidewalk. We don't want no garbage on the floors, wrappers, cigarette butts, make sure there's none. Yeah. Make sure everything is up to date. Tags are good. Oh, this need renewing. Yeah, these tags need renewing. We still have this room empty. This room empty. Still empty. I think this room is empty as well. This room is rented, but they just haven't got their logo yet. But pretty much that's all come in and do, you know. Inspect, make sure everything is nice and clean, presentable, no dirt, no dust. Bathroom is clean, laundry room clean, and the hallways and the front area. Once we make sure those are clean, good to go. Temperature is good. We maintain about 68 degrees on one side of the building and 70 degrees on one side of the building. The reason for that is on this side we have more hairdressers, and on this side, you know, those hairdressers and people who use equipment, it makes more heat. Like the blow dryers gives more heat. People on this side don't have those things, so this side don't have to be that cold. This side gets warm, so we have to, all these rooms, we make them colder than these rooms. Barbers don't have, you know, hair dryers or curling irons. So this side, nail techs, they don't get hot in here. So we make this side a little bit warmer than this side. Yeah, but yeah, that's it for inspection pretty much, you know.